I'm going to do this naman for the miso soup. Yeah. This is how you're going to clean. Kailangan din himasin ng rock salt. Salted rock? Ay, rock salt. Rock salt. Yan, kailangan himasin din yan. What is in English himasin? Smash. Rub. You have to rub it with salt.
Then after, yan natin. Hugasan yan. Tapos
After rinse, i-rinse yan.
i-rinse na. Tapos, ano na natin, nababad na sa suka.
Later we will show you.
Ano yung
mga 5 minutes lang.
composition?
So this one, how many minutes ibabad?
5.
5 minutes. And then sa suka. Dito sa salt, after cleaning, wala naman oras, no?
Hindi, iwawas na natin.
Pakita, there are several kinds of fishes. One of the fish that is milk fish, you don't need to rub with the salted, with the rocks, salt rocks. Only, except those fish na malansa that has a smell, that you have to smash or rub it with big rocks, salted rocks, or rock salt.
Ito na.
Yeah. So we will rinse it. And then, after rinse, okay, there.
Ano? Dami pala.
Suka. You have to soak vinegar for 5 minutes. Kailangang ubusin pala yon, no? So, yan po. Iba naman yung preparation dito. This is for the soup, miso soup, salmon miso soup. Tama? So, 5 minutes yan naka-rinse.
Sinigang sa miso.
Sinigang
Sa miso.
sa miso.
A few moments later. One hour later.
Ayan, pwede na. Okay, just to patch up guys with the salmon, miso.
Sinigang sa miso with salmon.
Sinigang na miso mixed salmon. Ito po yon. Of course, i-wrap ko lang yon yung head kanina, and then the belly, of course, with tomato, onion, and spicy, little spicy, and tsaka yung miso. Yun po yon, ito po yon. And we're using the clay pot kasi two reasons. One is faster po siyang pagluluto niya, and second, we can use this as a serving plate.